Today we're going to show you how to change your PIN code on a Chamberlain garage door keypad. You're going to open this up. First thing you're going to do is enter in your existing code. So right now we have our code as 1234. You're going to hold down the pound button. Your light, if it's installed, it's going to blink twice in the garage. Now this is going to flash and you're going to enter in a new code that you want it to be. And we're going to do 4, 3, 2, 1. You hold down the enter button. If you saw the light flashed once in the garage overhead, and your garage is set. So now that we've changed our PIN, I'm going to go back to the keypad. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push enter. Garage door opens.